Good morning, students. This is class 2nd computer. Lesson 4 special keys. Children, today you will study about the special keys that are on the keyboard. Now children, you have studied about keyboard. Children, what is the use of keyboard? Keyboard is used for typing. And there are many small buttons on the keyboard. They are called keys. Now children, this you have studied in the previous lesson also and in class 1 also. Now children, in class 1 you have studied about few keys. Let us study about them. First we will revise about that. Now that is alphabetical keys, number keys, space bar key, enter key, caps lock key and arrow keys. About all these keys you have studied in class 1. Now alphabetical keys. Why do we use alphabetical keys, children? We use alphabetical keys to type letters like A, B, C, D. Then number keys. Why do we use number keys? We use number keys to type numbers. Suppose you want to write your phone number on computer. So which key you will use? You will use number keys. Then space bar key. Children, space bar key is used to give a space between the words. Okay. Next one is enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Then caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type in capital letters. If you want to write your name or something, you want to start the name or any word with capital letters, so you have to press caps lock key for that. Next one is arrow key. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor up and down, right and left. Okay. Now children, you have already studied about all these keys. Now we will study about some more keys that are present on the keyboard. That is, they are the special keys. Now in that, caps lock key plus shift key. Caps lock key and shift key, they are considered as a special key. They are the special keys on the keyboard. Children, you will study about both the keys and few more keys in this lesson. Now children, we will study about caps lock key. Okay, as I have already told you that caps lock key and shift key are the special keys. Now we'll study about caps lock key. About this you have studied in class 1 also. Children, why do we use caps lock key? We use caps lock key to type capital letters. Children, suppose I want to write my name on computer. My name is Khushbu, and now children, I have not turned on the caps lock key. So if I will not turn on the caps lock key, so my name will be written in a small letter. How my name will be written? My name will be written in a small letter. Now children, when you will turn on the caps lock key, there is one small light on the keyboard that will also turn on, and when you will turn off the caps lock key, that light will also turn off. So now children, I want to write my name in capital. This is not the correct way of writing the name. So now when I want to write my name in capital, what I will do, children? I will turn on the caps lock key, then I'll write my name. So when you will turn on the caps lock key, children, your name will be written in capital. Okay, name is written in capital because caps lock key is turned on. Okay, now children, all the letters of my name is written in capital. Now children, suppose what I want to do, I want the name, the first letter of my name only in capital. So what you will do, you will turn on the caps lock key and you will write the first letter of your name, and then you will turn off the caps lock key and then you will continue the name, then it will come in small letter. So children, what you have to do, just remember, when you want to write anything in capital, you have to turn on the caps lock key, then you write that letter or that word. But children, again, if you want to continue the sentence or the word in a small letter, what you have to do, you have to turn off the caps lock key. To write in capital, turn on, and to write in a small letter, you have to turn off the caps lock key. Now children, we will study about shift key. Children, before moving further, just keep one thing in your mind, that on the keyboard, shift key is present at 2 places. You will find 2 shift keys on the keyboard. Okay, now shift key is used along with the alphabetical keys to type in capital. Shift key is used with number keys to type the symbols that are on the numbers. Second, shift keys are also used to type punctuation marks. Okay, now how to use them, children, with alphabetical keys? Number one, now children, if you will not use shift key along with the alphabets letters, children, if you are not using shift key, then how you will type A? Suppose I want to type A in capital, but I am not using shift key. So you will press this letter and it will come in a small letter. But if you will press shift key and then you will press the alphabet, it will come in capital. Just keep one thing in mind, that shift key along with the alphabet key is used to type in capital. Second thing, children, this is number key 2. This is number key. Suppose, children, you will not press shift key and you are pressing this number key. So what will come? 2 will come. But if you will press shift plus number 2, so this sign will come. At sign, okay? This sign will come. If you will press shift key plus number key, so the symbol will come that is on the top of the number. Second thing, children, shift key is also used to make punctuation marks. Like if you are not using shift key but you are pressing this, so if you will only press this key, so the sign which is down on this key will come. This is slash, okay? But children, if you will press shift plus this key, slash key, so the sign that is on the top of this key, that is question mark, this punctuation mark will come. Okay, so this, remember, children, shift key plus alphabetical key is equals to capital letter. Shift key plus number key is equals to symbol that is on the top of the number. And shift key plus punctuation mark. So which punctuation mark will come, children? The mark that is on the top of the key. Okay, so shift key is used with the alphabetical keys to write in capital. Shift key is used with the number key to type the symbols, and shift key is used with the punctuation mark to type the symbols. Okay, punctuation marks. Now, children, along with the caps lock key and shift key, you have to study about few more keys that are on the keyboard. Number one is page up and page down key. Now, children, page up and page down key is used to move the cursor up and down. This is the cursor. When you will press page up key, the cursor will move up. When you will press page down key, the cursor will move down. So page up and page down key is used to bring the cursor up and to move the cursor down. Second key is home key and end key. Home key and end key is used to bring the cursor at the beginning of the line and at the end of the line. Suppose I am writing one sentence, that is, my name is Khushbu. Okay, now, children, when you will press home key, cursor will come at the beginning of the line. When you will press end key, cursor will go at the end of the line. Not at the end of the sentence, children, but at the end of the line. Okay, if you will press home key, cursor will come at the beginning of the line. If you will press end key, cursor will go at the end of the line. Now, children, there is one more key present on the keyboard, that is control key, and the short form of control key is CTRL. It is called CTRL. Now, control key is used along with the other keys, and it is also used to select the icons on the computer screen. Okay, children, so these are few more keys that you have to study. Page up and page down key is used to move the cursor up and down. Home key and end key is used to move the cursor at the beginning and at the end of the line, and control key is used to select many icons on the computer screen. Now, children, there is one more key, that is Windows key. That is Windows key present on the keyboard. Now, children, there are two Windows key, as I have told you. There are two shift key also on the keyboard, plus there are two Windows key also on the keyboard. Now, children, this is the sign of Windows key. Now, when you will press Windows key, now when you will open computer screen, children, on the computer screen on one side it is written start. So when you press Windows key on the keyboard, the start menu opens on the computer screen. Okay, children, so this key is used to open the start menu on the computer screen. Now, children, along with this we use many more keys together. Okay, now what are the keys we have studied? That is caps lock key, shift key, page up, page down, home, and control, and Windows key. Along with these there are few more keys that you have to study. Now, children, I will show you all this practically on the laptop. you watch the video, and I'll show you the presentation also, the slideshow also. So children, when you will watch that, everything will be clear in your mind. Now children, let us see the uses of special keys on the laptop. Children, as I have told you, this is caps lock key and this is shift key. Caps lock key and shift key are special keys. Now let us see how to use it on the keyboard. Now children, this is caps lock key. I have told you, when you will turn on the caps lock key, there is one small light that will turn on, and when you will turn off the caps lock key, that light will also turn off. Now let us see how to type. Okay. Now children, I am writing my name. I am now writing my name on the laptop. Now children, I have not turned on the caps lock, so my name will come in a small letter, that is KHUSHBU. Okay. But now children, I want to write my name with capital. See this children, this is the cursor. The blinking line on the screen is called cursor. I have used enter key to move the cursor down. Now children, I want to write my name with capital. So what I will do, I will turn on the caps lock key. Now I have turned on the caps lock key. The light is also turned on. Okay. Now see children, now I have turned on the caps lock key, and see the K, the letter, the alphabet K is coming in capital. KHUSHBU. Khushbu. Now see. Now again I will turn off. Now children, what I will do, suppose children, if I want to write only my first letter in capital, rest all in a small letter. So what you will do, just turn on, write the first letter, and again you turn off the caps lock key. Then you continue it writing. So children, caps lock key is used to write in capital letter, and when you turn off the caps lock key, you can write with small letter. Now children, let us see the uses of shift key. As I have told you, there are two shift key present on the keyboard. Okay children, now shift key is used with the alphabet keys to type in capital. Shift key is used with number keys to type the symbols that are given on the number keys, and shift key is also used to type the punctuation mark. Okay. Now see how to use. Now children, I am typing one letter, that is A. It is coming in a small. Now children, press the shift key and hold it. Now you press the alphabet A and just see it has come in capital. Same with children. Suppose I want to type this exclamatory sign or this and sign. Okay. So if you will press 7, it will only come 7. The symbol will not come. But children, if you will press and hold shift key and you will press 7, the symbol that is on the top of that number will come. Okay. In the same way children, I want the sign of question mark. Okay. But I am not using shift key and you will press that button, so slash will come. But children, at the same time, when you will press and hold shift key, you press this key, what sign will come children? The symbol that is on the top, question mark, will come. Okay. So this is the use of shift key. Shift key is used with the alphabets to type in capital. Shift key is used along with the number keys to type the symbols that is given on the top. And shift key is also used to type punctuation marks. Now children, let us study about two more keys, that is page up and page down. Children, I have told you what is the use of page up and page down key. Page up key is used to move the cursor up, and page down key is used to move the cursor down. Okay. Now see, this cursor is down. Again I'll press page up, the cursor will go up. Okay children, and there is home key and end key also. Home key is used to bring the cursor at the beginning of the line, and end key is used to bring the cursor at the end of the line. Just see, I'm pressing, cursor is here, I'm pressing home key, the cursor will go at the beginning of the line, and now I'll press end key, the cursor will go at the end of the line. Now children, there are few more keys that you have to study. First one, CTRL, control plus alt plus delete. Now children, this is control plus alt plus delete. Okay. Now these three keys are used to close the computer, to turn off the computer. Okay, now I don't want to turn off my computer, so I will cancel it. But Control plus Alt plus Delete is used to turn off the computer. Now next one is Alt plus Tab. Children, this is Alt plus Tab. This key is used to change the windows that you have opened on the computer. If you are using 2-3 windows on the computer, 2-3 things you are using at a time. So children, to change that window, you can press Alt plus Tab. Right now I'm using only one window, so only one window is coming. But if you are using 2-3 windows, so you can change it by pressing Alt plus Tab. Now children, Shift plus Delete is used to delete the icons permanently from the screen. Like children, I want to delete any icon, I will not delete it, but if I want to delete any icon, children, so Shift plus Delete you can press and you can delete that icon. Okay children. Now children, here is one more key, that is Windows key. Just see, this is Windows key. Now when I will press Window key, see here, this is a Start. Okay, a Start button. When you will press the Window key, Start button, the Start menu will open on the computer screen. Now let us revise. What is the use of keyboard? We use keyboard to do typing on the computer screen. Caps lock key is used to type in capital letters. Shift key is used along with other keys to type capital letters, symbols and punctuation marks. To type capital letters, press and hold the Shift key and then press an alphabet key. You will get capital letter. To type a symbol, press and hold the Shift key and then press a number key. You will get the symbol that is on the top of the number key. To type a punctuation mark, press and hold the Shift key and then press the punctuation key. You will get the punctuation mark. Page up key is used to move the cursor up. Page down key is used to move the cursor down. Home key, move the cursor to the beginning of a line. End key, move the cursor to the end of a line. Cursor is a small blinking line on a computer screen. Control key is used to select several icons on the computer screen. Control plus Alt plus Delete keys are used together to close a program or to turn off the computer. Alt plus Tab key is used to change windows that are open on the desktop. Shift and Delete keys are used to delete a selected icons permanently from the computer. Windows key is used to open the Start menu. Let's do the exercise given on page number 29. Look at the picture of a keyboard. Name the keys colored red, that is alphabetical keys. Name the keys colored yellow, number keys. Name the key colored green, enter key. Name the key colored blue, that is space bar key. Exercise given on page number 32. Who am I? You can type capital letters when I am on caps lock key. I am used along with other keys to type capital letters and symbol, Shift key. I take you to the beginning of a line, Home key. I take you to the end of a line, End key. I am used to select several icons, that is Control key. Children, watch the video and read the lesson from the book. Thank you very much.